Everyone is talking about Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, and its latest model. But NVIDIA just dropped something different. Not just another chatbot, but an AI built for multi-step reasoning and agent. It's called Nemotron 3 Ultra and it's speaking 550 billion parameter a time. Let's break down what make it special and whether it's actually beat the competition. Many of the user mention Nemotron 3 Ultra perform very awesome for coding where it is completely free until now. In this video, without wasting time, I'll show you how you can use it for authentic way inside your OpenCode and inside your Visual Studio Code. First, go to the official website of OpenCode where you can also find it in kilocode as well, but I'll show you the best way to use it. Go to the opencode.ai. If you are using it for the first time or not install it, copy this command and paste it in your terminal, bash, PowerShell, whatever you have, use it. If you not install Node, then also install Node and npm in your system to use it. After that, go to the OpenCode Gen, create your account with your Google account. Then you are ready to use all the model that will be provided by OpenCode for free. Create the API key. I have just created it here. I'll delete all the API key and I'll show you by creating new API key. I'll give the name new API key and I'll create it here and I'll copy it. I'm going to use it later. Before that, I'll show you which model and how many model are currently free in OpenCode. Currently, there are 3 to 4 model are freely available in OpenCode. Among them, DeepSeek are one of them. Coin, Minimax M3, it will mention Minimax M3, but currently it will not working. Mimo is working and Nemotron 3 Ultra is also working. Then how you can use it? You have already created your account, you have already installed OpenCode, you have already created your API key. After you have performed this all, open your terminal or PowerShell, whatever you have used it in your system, then type OpenCode. Before that, check OpenCode is installed or not. To check, type OpenCode -version. If version will be appear there, then it will confirm that OpenCode will be installed in your system. Type OpenCode and hit enter. OpenCode terminal will be reflected here. I have already used Nemotron 3 Ultra, that's why it will be reflected here. If you are using it for the first time, you need to connect it with the OpenCode Gen. Type / and connect. Hit enter. OpenCode Gen will be reflected here. Select it, provide the API key that you have created and hit enter. Then all the model will be reflected here. All the free model and paid model will be reflected. If you want to know how many free model are there, then type free. Currently, 4 model are freely available in OpenCode Gen. Let's select Nemotron 3 Ultra free. Start to interact. Hi, how are you? In your first interaction, it will start with the 1% token. After that, it will slowly increase your token. Next question I will ask, which model is it? Which model is it? OpenCode Nemotron 3 Ultra is it. By this way, you can easily use Nemotron 3 Ultra for free inside your OpenCode. To quit OpenCode from your terminal, PowerShell, Ctrl+C and leave it from here. Then I will also show you how you can use it inside the Visual Studio Code. Open your code editor, whatever you have used it. Select any project that you are currently using. From the VS Code terminal, you can also use OpenCode. Type the OpenCode command and hit enter. Now OpenCode will be available inside your Visual Studio Code. If you can type @ then all the file that will be created inside this folder, this will be reflected here. You can easily edit this folder using Nemotron 3 Ultra free. Hi, it will give the overview of this index.html file. This is my file. I have created the basket catch challenge inside this index.html that I have created using Nemotron 3 Ultra. This is the total amount of token that I have used until it using OpenCode. If your OpenCode limit is expired, then you can also use OpenRouter inside the OpenCode as well. In this next video, I'll show you how you can use OpenRouter and its free model inside the OpenCode and inside the Visual Studio Code. That's it for today's video. We'll meet you on the next video. Okay, bye bye.